Hi, I'm Leanne. I'm Belgian. I'm 18 years old and I took the Cambridge Advanced Certificate a few months ago. I decided to take this exam because it's internationally recognized and it can help you to get access to higher education as it proves your English level and your language ability. I chose the Cambridge Qualifications as it focuses on real-life English, which is suitable for the everyday life. I'm now planning to take the Cambridge Proficiency, which proves that you have mastered an English level. Really looking forward to do it.
Hi, I'm Frida and I've taken the Flyers, the PET and the FC qualifications. I took my first Cambridge English qualification when I was 11 years old. It was a school requirement. However, since then I fell in love with the language and with these exams. I always choose Cambridge English qualifications, not only because of the multiple organizations that accept them, but also because I believe that these specific qualifications provide the most accurate results in terms of language assessment. In my book, preparing for a Cambridge exam provides you with useful skills for your everyday use of English, such as language awareness, structure, and flexibility, regardless of your level.
Hi, my name is Alex. I am from Mexico City. I am 21 years old. Right now, I'm choosing to make a Cambridge English qualification because I know this helps in the personal life or in my career to kind of grow. I want to work in an airline. I am studying for being an airline pilot. So in the future, I would like to go to the United States, maybe the United Kingdom, or I don't know, any other place in the world.